mo? Start na.
Basta,
to our assistant director, Mrs. Yodanita Chidagumba, to our guest speaker, Engineer Antonio L. Nicolas, to our school principal, Mrs. Solisi Sanchez, to our class of arts and teacher, Pacific to our assistant class in charge, Teacher Jennifer Esperillo, to our parents, friends, classmates, and friends, good morning. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all today to celebrate with us the magic closing ceremony for school year 2022-2023 of Samaria del Caipoco Child Care Development Center in Community. It is time to celebrate and be proud of ourselves. People is lots of fun. We play, we dance, we sing, we read, we write, we count, we share our food, and play together all the time. This is not really easy to us, but with the guidance and love of our teachers and parents, we came out all champions. We made it to our dear teachers, Teacher Son and Teacher Brazil. Thank you for your kindness, patience, and hard work, teaching us to our parents and families. Thank you to love and support all the children. Salamat po, lahat po, maraming kayo. To Teacher Jenny, thank you so much for being a part of our kindergarten journey. Mahal din po, maraming kayo. Most of all, thank you Almighty God. Thank you for being with us. All the time, to God be the glory. And to my dear classmates, thank you for your friendship. Congratulations to us. Kaya na tayo. Yay! I believe that if we continue and get to it, on behalf of kindergarten completers, how can I bless